Welcome to Yoycol, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Before any new product reaches your store, its journey starts right here. Every print, every stitch, and every piece is made with care inside our very own factory. This month, our new arrivals are officially here, bringing fresh designs, upgraded fabrics, and entirely new categories for creators and brands like you. Every piece is proof of what print on demand can do. Turn a great idea into something real, fast. Look closer at the color accuracy, the stitch precision, and the fabric texture. We're constantly improving our materials, printing quality, and fit, so you and your customers get the best version every single time. Whether you're designing for your brand, your fans, or just for yourself, Yoycol helps you bring your creativity to life. So, which one's your favorite? Yoycol, where creativity becomes reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.